How to hide who you follow on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into video. So first, launch your Instagram application. So limiting who can see your following list is done by switching your account to private account. So in private account, you will have to approve follow request and only the person that you follow and that follows you will be able to see your following list. To do so, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from the top right corner, go to the menu bar. Now, scroll down and then go to account privacy. And then enable private account. Confirm switching to private and done. So that's how we do it. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into